Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update that's been dropped all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Mauricio Pochettino, the come talk ahead of the match where Arsenal will play against Chelsea for the Stamford Bridge. So Baba Kole talk say he prefer tough games, yes, and at the same time say they go really need to beat Arsenal today, because when they look at the historical data, say Arsenal they knock them like say tomorrow no day, the last 7 times, I mean 6 times Arsenal don't play, we don't knock them like 5 times or thereabout. So when they beat them like say they be our wife, so then they try to see whether they go rewrite history today. Whereas Arsenal they hope say history will remain the way it be, collect our maximum 3 points, go back home. So I instead consider the match would be tough. The man praise Arsenal for the way they play, praise Arteta, say with Arteta said they be good friends. Say when Arteta travel come France or Paris that time, know that Arteta stay for the same hotel, same room, they live together for 3 months. Like they get good history. They are both families get. Even before Arteta enter coaching level, instead follow advice, Arteta because in don't do the coaching level for long. So all in all, we'll just see how today match will be. Alright, talking about today match, so Chelsea versus Arsenal preview. So when you check the head-to-head for this match, so the last 5 times we don't play for the Stamford Bridge, Arsenal win 3, draw 1, and lose 1. And when you check, you see say Arsenal they unbeaten in their last 15 derbies. Arsenal don't win 14, they actually draw 1. And again, they're going to say for the last 8 games, so Arteta don't play against Chelsea, Arsenal actually win 5, which means Arteta gets a very good record against Chelsea side. So we'll just watch whether that record will continue today. Because if we play today, we'll be say Arteta don't face Chelsea 9 times. If we win, it will be say gonna win 6 times. So we'll just see how everything will be. Today match, I can bet you and tell you that the match will be exciting match, will be exciting to watch, because many pundits don't choke match for this matter. See that they see plenty goals, and me too. I don't think it's going to be a cagey affair. I think Chelsea will come out, Arsenal will come out. They let the best team win. So that's what football does mean. I know they see draw for this match. Alright, away from that, so Harry Redknapp come outside, come talk say he won't predict what will happen for this Chelsea versus Arsenal match. The way himself they see him. Now the fact say they see Arsenal away win, because Arsenal gets so much firepower, especially if they start the likes of Martinelli, Saka and Gabriel Jesus. Like how Chelsea want to escape her. Chelsea don't really have that best defense, guys. So I don't know how they won't come take do am. When you check the EPL table so far now, you see now Arsenal and Man City now get the best defense of the league. Before the season start, I actually said this season, Arsenal defense will be very difficult for them to breach them, because I don't see how, like the way would they structure our defense, especially the defensive midfield, they protect the back four. I don't see how everything will be so far so good. Arsenal and Man City now they don't concede 6 goals. The rest don't concede like 8, 9, 10 and the likes. But now 2 of us 9 days fewer I guess. So I see this thing continuing till the season ends, unless maybe we get some injuries to key players or key personnel. We can't rejig our backline. As long as we have the same backline going on for us, they get a clean bill of health. I don't see why we don't end the season having the best defense, because defensively we are solid this season. Then midfield we are also okay. So everybody get a clean bill of health. You already get a striker and everybody know that one. So no be something we debate. So we'll just watch. And then they say when they see Arsenal away win, inshallah. Alright, so they're going to ask Arteta about the title race. Say whether Arsenal and Man City 9 will be there, because that is what is the narrative for the media space. So Baba can explain say as of now, in no fit come outside tell you to say Arsenal will be there or Man City will be there or this one will be there. But once the win will let you know, say in they hopeful. So when it matter most, when we don't reach like Christmas, January, February, they go like that. They make Arsenal still there to get part of those who will be in title contention. Then at the end of the day, we will see how it will be. Even Jamie Carragher said they come outside and talk say if Man City, say he means they see Man City winning the league, say the likes of Liverpool and Arsenal will drag second. You don't even mention Tottenham Hotspur. Because the only way Arsenal and maybe the likes of Liverpool will win the league. Now if Man City continue their run of form, bad form, I would say will make people like Arsenal, Liverpool come in contention to win the league. Well, everybody get their own mouth to talk what they see. I like the way Arteta just talk, because I don't want to put pressure on the team, because now everybody is calling us favorites, title favorites, like it is expected because of the kind of performances we give. And remember, we are still unbeaten in this season in the league, we and Tottenham Hotspur, and we'll try to keep our unbeaten hopes alive today. Alright, Ray Parlour also come as a saying they feel very, very sorry for the likes of Aaron Ramsdale, because this guy no really do anything wrong. You get the way we're in this year. It's just unfortunate say Arteta is very, very ruthless. Arteta they look for perfection. So Arteta don't identify say Raya. Now go feel carry and go the promised land. Now go feel help and win the league. So there's nothing Ramsdale can do. The only thing Ramsdale can do for now is to look for greener pastures elsewhere. Go and join another club so that you will start to get playing time. Now be the only thing where in Syria Ramsdale will do. Then that is why till today I will still remind you of waiting Henry talk, because when I mention that Henry talk, some people get the opinion say Henry advice Ramsdale may go where don't like Ramsdale. You know they see him now. Everybody know they talk because something that is visible to the blind. Everybody they see him say this Ramsdale he is bigger than where he did for bench. This guy, if he go join Manchester United, and Jane will start for Man U, get. If he go Tottenham Hotspur, if he to start, get. If he go many top clubs, there's the possibility the same will start, because goalkeepers with this kind of abilities, ball playing abilities from the back, they're not too plenty out there, get. So it's just the unfortunate say Arteta don't choose, and that is one thing I like about Arteta. Arteta understands that if the team gets a bad run of form, get. Now they go attack. They don't go attack me or Babasato or any other person or any of you. You get. So that is why in the day very, very ruthless. You know, they look with your face. We just do what you feel say they best for the team moving forward. So now the way we're in the team. Just unfortunately, some of our fan favorites, some of our favorite players, they affected by this kind of decisions. How do you think the loyalists of Aubameyang felt the time we Arteta come out Aubameyang from Arsenal team? How do you think them feel that time? So that's what it just be. How do you think the loyalists of Ozil feel when they ostracize Ozil? I mean, go sit down one side, they can't still pay themselves upon saying they on exile. How do you think they felt? Now, so Arteta be no respect of anybody. Alright, so Miguel Antonio, the outcome second say my gut tells me that Chelsea will defeat Arsenal 1-0. Saying get that gut feeling. You don't know where that feeling they come from. That your feeling make you keep out of your house to look at that come from the stadium. Because you know say this guy a player for West Ham, although in the blue pundit level. So you got us in waiting in the sea, but you don't know why it takes that, but more just to watch and see how everything will unfold today. Alright, so Gary Neville said don't come and second the CHUKS for the match where Arsenal and Chelsea go play. So in call it say for him or say na 1-1 in the really see, because in the feel say Chelsea they right to challenge Arsenal, like they get players from if you come as I step up. If Chelsea step up, it go be difficult for Arsenal. Well, that one my own opinion. So more just see how things go. The match now today now 5:30 Nigerian time. I don't know when it's been played in your country, but 5:30 Nigerian time. We'll see how everything will unfold. She been today, and we'll see him now. Alright, they ask Arteta about Kai Havertz. Currently, that's a thing where Kai Havertz do against Man City. With that in a turning point, get like we will get mentality shifts on head. Say yes, I can actually contribute to this team because it gave a marvelous assist. When Martinelli take score, we will take win the match. Get so people celebrate Havertz well. So people can talk say yes, saying hope. Say that thing will be turning points because in the say the confidence level of this Kai Havertz, it on the shift. He's in a much better place now. You get so that heroics when do for City match, say it was a big moment, and in prayer, in the hopeful, say that moment will continue like that, because that's what me I'm telling some people. They talk say Havertz this Havertz that. I say when I know they really see say this boy they progress, like they allow emotions cloud on judgment for una to see say this boy last 2 games, 1 goal, 1 assist, is coming out of the bad patch. You don't they progress. The advice what we give Arteta say bench this boy, no put him for first 11. Arteta followed our advice. What is now the problem again? Arteta they bring this boy now from bench. He come from bench against Man City play, and he gave an impact, which was what you people advise Arteta to do, and then do him. What is going to be the problem again? Now what is they boss my brain with that? When I talk say make this boy no the first 11, Arteta come out. Make him come from bench. Mr. Go they acclimatize. Arteta do what you talk, and then do it. Why are you still complaining? Like I don't seem to understand it. Now be the issue. Look at the last 2 games. You judge the player based on his last games. Last 2 games, 1 goal, 1 assist. Our player now, the next match now, because today match me I no expect Kai Havertz. If you check my first 11 yesterday, I don't put Havertz there because no man, Havertz will be part of our first 11 members. The reason he enters the first 11 is because of probably injuries or maybe Arteta won't rest some players. If Partey, Rice, Odegaard, they fit, those are our first 11 midfield, ideal midfield. So Havertz no be part of them. So I believe all of us agree on that one. So when it comes to maybe one rest Partey, they will put Havertz there, or maybe bring him in the second half. We all concord to that line of thought. So what's it come with? I don't just understand where the complaint they come from again. Alright, damage set. Come and say Arteta they see Ramsdale you get as a better fit for what he want to achieve for Arsenal. For those who know, damage set is one of the reporters at CHUKS, Sky Sports. So I watch when they analyze the Ramsdale Raya issue. So now waiting Arteta they see say this player now go help me win the league. So you make people no complain. At the end of the day, you have to support what the manager they do because he knows best. We can only analyze, get to know what thing they do, whether it makes sense or it don't make sense, and give our own opinion out there. But it doesn't change what Arteta is doing. And they're going to give one statistics. Come to say there are many questionable calls what Arteta don't do since when he entered Arsenal. Majority of them have been right. They have been spot on. Even though there was public outcry on those decisions, at the end of the day, now waiting let Arsenal move forward. When Arteta comes Ben Leno put Ramsey, do you know that a section of Arsenal fans were not happy? Ben Leno loyalists, they were crying, shouting, complaining. Arteta no mind them. Arteta just focus on where they go. When Arteta chose Ben Leno over Emiliano Martinez loyalists were complaining. Arteta no answer them. He focus on where they go. When he come out of Aubameyang, the same thing. When he come out of Ozil, the same. Examples are so many. You get at the end of the day, where are we? Are we progressing or regressing? This is the thing we need to understand. Alright, so Dimitri Berbatov also come and say the odds will favor Arsenal, but make Arsenal no underestimate Chelsea. Chelsea will shock a lot of people for this match. You get and what's in the talk, but no just watch. Many pundits, everybody they interested in this match. Majority of them they are praying and make Arsenal beating run scatter, but God no answer that prayer. You get so and also if we lose today, people will laugh us. There will plenty. So we must make ourselves proud and be focused. Get our positional awareness must be key, and we must make sure we collect maximum points. That'll be my prayer today. So my dear Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday? Should check the top left corner of the screen. We see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.